Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in today's tutorial I will show you how to do slow motion in Davinci Resolve. So this is my clip, and we want to slow it down. So first thing, keep in mind that you can't slow down the clip that is not longer than 24 FPS. You can do it, of course, but it will look choppy. So right click on your clip and then go ahead and select change clip speed or change clip duration, or just simply press R. And it will bring up this window, and here you can slow it down by dragging right here. So let's say 50% slower, go to 50, and then click on change. As you can see, your clip is now slower, but this is what happened if your clip is only 24 FPS. So now when it's slowed down by 50%, it's only 12 FPS. So this is why it looks choppy. When you have clip that you have a 30 FPS clip or 60 FPS clip or even 120 FPS clip, then you can slow it down really and not looking choppy as well. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.